This video is about repairing a zipper when modest damage occurs in the middle of a zipper, plastic zipper. The actions which are employed here also apply to a situation where you want to install a second slider on the zipper so that you have one slider starting from this side and another slider from the other. Next, we'll see the damage that occur for the zipper and how one progresses to fix it. So the issue here is of zipper repair. This is an Osprey backpack. I overfilled the front pocket and at some point the zipper went out. So the slider went off the zipper at this point. And I need to fix it. I tried notifying Osprey, I wrote an email. 2 weeks have passed, no response. So I need to deal with this myself, in spite of their warranty. I tried YouTube remedies where you force the zipper, you open this side, you force the slider onto the zipper, where you have some access. It didn't work. This is too tight situation because the slider rides on the cloth just as on the zipper. So what I'm going to do is open this side. There's some stitching here. I'll try to get access to the end of the zipper, take off the slider, put it on in the normal way, and then sew this area back. Here is a convenient tool for removing stitches. So I apply this in this area here and remove stitches. I got the end of the zipper out, and now I'll spread it apart and put the slider on. Pushing now the slider through from the zipper's end. I mean, it's been tough there to get it in, so I had to remove extra stitches. We're getting there. We are now ready to stitch back the zipper area. We are done with stitching the end of the zipper, and I tend to end this with the stitch glue. You can be generous. It's actually will dry clear. Let's see, we could do a little bit the other side too, just in case. So that's the other side. For plastic zippers, I sometimes apply silicone grease. So that's good, you know, when you're sort of trying to recover. You can put some grease on. All right. Sometimes it's sold as the electric grease. Maybe the silicone grease is better. And that's the end.